Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center. As always, I'm Tess and I'm here today with another Tess's tip for you. And this one is a question I get quite frequently is how do I deal with the dark circle, otherwise known as nipple, on the end of some of my balloons. This is much more prominent on our lighter color balloons. So today I'm using the Sempertex Matte as an example for you. And I have two solutions for you. The first one is to make sure when you're inflating your balloon is that you make sure you push that down as far as you can onto the nozzle so the air is going into the ball of the balloon. Okay? Much less noticeable than, for example, if I was to go like this and blow it up, it's a little more prominent. I've done this a couple times, so it's stretched out quite a bit. But I promise you, you'll be happier with it if you can get that nozzle down. If you've done it and you're like, oh, I don't like it, instead of starting over, you can also cinch it down by pushing the air down in and then saving some of the neck. All right, so that's one way, especially on the smaller balloons. On the larger balloons, our 11, 12-inch balloons, 18-inch balloons, you're going to want to overinflate. So take your balloon, really overinflate it. That's going to stretch it out, okay? And then when you size down, the lightness of the balloon will dissipate and the darker pigment will come and hopefully make that a little lighter. Again, after the fact, you can, I call it choking up on the balloon because I'm a baseball girly from way back in the day, but it will a little bit soften up that nipple. But please understand, these are a fact of life in ballooning that we really can't get away too much of. When you're putting them into a garland, a lot of times, working with these colors, I try very hard not to have one facing front. I will, make sure that it's tied in sideways, or if it's facing front, really, obviously I'll put like a Heidi 5-inch quad there to try and hide it. So in other words, you have to work with it because, it's just industry standard. It's how they're made, because when they come down the belt, they're on a form and they go through the latex color dip. They come back up and they're dripping this way. And so all it is a concentration of the color dip that's accumulated there. All right. I really hated them at first. I've grown to not even think about them anymore. And I know you will too. All right. So fact of life, but try and work around it a little bit. All right. I hope this helped in your journey of ballooning it yourself. Bye for now.